Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, we're making grilled chicken. We're gonna spatchcock it. Then we're gonna let it sit overnight in a dry brine so it gets nice and juicy and flavorful throughout the whole chicken. We're gonna put some awesome grill marks on it, and we're gonna make our barbecue glaze that's gonna go over top, make it nice and shiny. So when I say spatchcocking, if you don't know, we're gonna take the bone out, the spine out right here. You can use sharp knife. I use a pair of shears that works really good. Take a knife right here. There. Take any of this stuff off. Not gonna need it. Do this, I scored some of the membrane. Let our seasoning get in there. Start sprinkling our kosher salt in there. Good amount. Some fresh pepper. Almost forgot the garlic. I'm using garlic powder because I gotta go shopping. Flip this over. The wings underneath the breast. Pat this dry. Do the same on this side. And our garlic. Now we'll place this on a wire rack, put it in the fridge. Ideally, you want this overnight. If you're like me and forgot to do it yesterday and you got to grill it today, a couple hours will help dry the skin out and let the salt penetrate the meat. For our sauce, in a medium saucepan over medium heat, 1 cup of honey barbecue, 1 cup of apple jelly, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of apple juice, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Give it a little tang. Once this heats up and the jelly turns to a liquid, it's going to be a nice glaze to put over the chicken. Gives it that nice sheen. So now we'll just pat the skin dry. Ideally, overnight would have been better, but I forgot to do it yesterday. So now I will take this chicken off the rack. We need to make this chicken as flat as possible to get those nice grill marks. So we will first take our chicken off the rack. Next, we'll take another cookie sheet, put that on top, and some heavy cast iron. Push it down. We'll let that sit while the grill gets hot, about 15 minutes. So let's throw the chicken on. Now, this is the secret. Take that cookie pan upside down. Throw that cast iron on there. That's how you get those marks. After a minute, take this cast iron off. Carefully lift that up. Now we'll rotate this. You guys are next if you don't be quiet. Your cookie sheet back on here. And your cast iron. Let that go for another minute. Now it's been a couple minutes. We gotta flip this over. With a big ass spatula. Now, if I could just get this thing to work. Now, it's way too hot to put that chicken on there at this second. So we will show you a little trick here. Because we're using those grill grates. Put some of our Weber baskets in here. Take this, make a little bit of an air gap. Now, we throw our chicken back on here. Let it finish cooking. We'll have a look. It's been about 10 minutes. Looks nice. So, using the baskets with the grill grates on top, it's going to protect the bottom, obviously. You're still getting a radiant heat from the lid. It's going to come up and help crisp up the skin some more. When you have all that room underneath, throw a piece of wood on there. Just smells awesome out here. All right, let's put the lid back on this and check on it another 10 minutes. Once it hits 140 degrees, we'll start putting our glaze on there. We just don't want that to burn by putting it on too early. All right, we're at the 140 mark. Looks awesome. Now we can start glazing it. So you want a nice thin glaze. Just about at the 150 mark. Time to glaze it some more. We're at the 158 mark. That's where I'm going to pull it at. We'll have carryover. I'll let this thing go up to probably 165 to 168. Do our last glaze. Move it to a cutting board. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. Now we've let it rest for 15 minutes. We'll slice into it. Try a piece. So good. Juicy as all hell. That glaze is nice. It's sweet, it's thin, it spreads very easily onto the meat. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. You can watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out every week. You can visit us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, of course YouTube. Visit our website, crackscountrycooking.com. See ya.